stop for a moment. Do not rush. Do not ignore the feeling that made you pause right now. If your heart feels uneasy, if your body feels alert without a clear reason, if something inside you whispered, slow down today, this message is for you. I am speaking to you now, not to frighten you, not to overwhelm you, but to protect you. You are not imagining the tension you feel. You are not weak for sensing danger. You are not wrong for feeling like today carries weight. That awareness is not fear. It is guidance. I see where you are today. I see what you are walking into. I see what you cannot yet see. And because I see it, I am already moving ahead of you. Something today was meant to happen faster than it should. Something today was meant to catch you off guard. Something today was meant to pull you into harm through hurried distraction or misplaced trust. That is why your spirit felt uneasy before your mind understood why. Listen carefully now. You are not alone in this moment. You are not exposed. You are not unguarded. I am closer today than usual because today requires protection. Slow your steps. Slow your words. Slow your decisions. Do not rush just because others are rushing. Do not go where your peace hesitates. Do not ignore your intuition to appear brave. Bravery today looks like wisdom. Faith today looks like caution. If a plan delays, do not fight it. If a meeting cancels, do not be upset. If a path closes suddenly, do not force it open. That interruption is not inconvenience. It is intervention. There is something you are not meant to face today, and I am redirecting you away from it quietly. You may feel watched. You may feel pressured. You may feel like something could go wrong. Hear this clearly. Nothing reaches you unless it passes through me first. I am blocking what you cannot see. I am slowing what was moving too fast. I am confusing what was meant to confuse you. The danger you sense has limits. My protection does not. Stay alert but stay calm. Pay attention but do not panic. If something feels off, step back. If a person feels unsafe, create distance. If a place feels wrong, leave. You do not need permission to protect yourself. Today is not a day to prove strength. Today is a day to listen. You will get through this day safely. You will look back and realize something almost happened, but didn't, because you listened, because you paused, because I covered you. Remain aware, remain calm, remain close. This is not over yet. Stay here. Do not drift away now. You are still being held in this moment for a reason. What you felt earlier was not random. That tightness in your chest, that sense of alertness in your body, that feeling that today required extra attention, that was your spirit recognizing a warning before your mind could explain it. I allowed you to sense it because I wanted you to move differently today, not in fear, in wisdom. There are moments when danger does not announce itself loudly. It hides behind routine. It disguises itself as just another day. It waits for distraction. That is why I slowed you down. If you rush today, you step into what you were meant to avoid. If you pause, you walk right past it. Pay attention to delays. Pay attention to interruptions. Pay attention to small hesitations you feel inside. Those are not obstacles. Those are shields. You may notice people behaving unusually today. Someone may say something careless. Someone may reveal more than they intended. Someone may try to pull you into urgency or pressure. Do not engage emotionally. Silence today protects you more than words. I am removing you from a situation that would have drained you or placed you at risk. You do not need to confront it. You do not need to understand it fully. Trust the removal. You may feel tempted to question yourself, to think you are overreacting, to tell yourself you are imagining things. Do not dismiss what you feel. Discernment does not shout. It nudges. If you feel unsafe, leave. If you feel uncertain, wait. If you feel pressured, slow down. I am guiding you through this day step by step. You are being watched over more closely than you know. What could have gone wrong is already being redirected. What could have harmed you is already losing access. What could have escalated is already being slowed. Nothing will catch you by surprise today if you stay aware. Breathe. You are not in danger alone. You are not exposed. You are not without covering. This day will not end the way you fear it might. Stay calm. Stay alert. Stay with me. There's still something important you need to hear. Stay steady now. You are almost through the moment that required your attention. What you sense today does not get the final word. I do. The danger you felt was not permission for fear. It was a signal for protection to move first. And it has. As this day continues, you may notice a strange calm beginning to settle in your body. Your breathing may slow. Your thoughts may become clearer. That is not relief by chance. That is covering taking effect. What was meant to rush toward you has been delayed. What was meant to pressure you has lost urgency. What was meant to confuse you has been cut off from your path. You may never fully know what you were spared from today, and you do not need to. Protection does not always explain itself. It simply works. Move gently through the rest of this day. Choose patience over reaction. Choose distance over confrontation. Choose silence over explanation. Nothing important requires you to prove anything today. If someone tries to pull you into conflict, do not step in. If a situation feels unstable, step away. If your intuition says not now, honor it without guilt. I am guiding your steps more closely than usual because today demanded it. You will notice that things begin to align quietly. Conversations soften. Plans adjust. Tension eases. That is how you will know you are safe. Do not replay fear in your mind. Do not imagine outcomes that will never happen. The danger you felt was real, but it has passed. What remains is awareness, not threat. Tonight, you will rest. Your body will release the alertness it carried. Your spirit will settle back into peace. And when you look back on today, you will realize something important. You were protected not because you were afraid, but because you listened. You did not ignore the signal. You did not rush past wisdom. You did not walk blindly. And because of that, nothing meant to harm you could reach you. I am still with you as this day ends. You are not exposed. You are not vulnerable. You are not alone. Walk calmly now. The moment has passed. The protection remains. You are safe. Amen.